Explore Kapatisi TV.
Ke Frank Motors, kepada ke authorized dealership jangka Tata Motors Hamigalaya. Hakar pusat truk juliu arajar arpusan klub light pat ba ye ke all new Altroz kepada ke way ni premium hatchback he India. Ke Altroz ke warna ke lightly ke powertrain petrol, diesel, ke belong tang ke way hak ni ke segment ke ICNG but artly ke automatic transmission options DCA but AMT ke basdang tang ke door 0.5 khandai lak. Ke Altroz bathamai ke peni shakman deki design but features ki belong ningkong hak segment kom ki flush door handles, infinity LED tail lamps but executive lounge style seats. Kedanru eka 10.25 touchscreen infotainment system, fully digital instrument cluster, 360-degree camera, voice-enabled sunroof, berke IRA connected car technology, kepenlong ke tech-rich but premium hak rukom yad kali. Lachnai ke Altroz haka Alpha architecture kebelayo 5-star rating naka global NCAP but menta lawan ra eka ringkat ki 6 airbags but electronic stability program kum ki standard safety features. Kedanru ke SOS emergency calling but Jingshngaiñ bakerpang. Kakali Altroz arajar arpusan kamdei tang ke facelift hindre kalong kakali ke bathamai ke bawanra Jingshngaiñ premium ki tech solution bathamai baka comfort ke penlong ye kuwe pa kuwe kayat ba compare par basngo tenan.
For the launch of the new Tata Altroz, a car that truly redefines style, safety and performance. The Altroz has always been a symbol of innovation and this new edition raises the bar even higher. We're proud to partner with Tata Motors in bringing this exceptional vehicle to our valued customers. Thank you for joining us today. We invite you to explore the car, take a test drive and experience the future of premium hatchback.
It has a design that makes you feel special. And this car, it will exceed all the customers' expectations. And when you drive this car, you will experience such an experience that you will feel extraordinary. Okay. It has luminant LED headlamps, like the new design compared to all the other hatchback, cornering fog lamps, it has 3D front grille and it has first and segment flashboard handles. And it also has infinity LED connecting the lamp which is the first and the segment. And I would like to go through the cabin, luxurious cabin, which comes with soft touch finished grand prestige dashboard, premium dual tone beige interiors, executive lounge seats with high support. When you sit at the rear of the Altroz, you will feel like you're sitting in a sofa. It is so comfortable. And it has a 90-degree opening doors, which is the only premium hatchback which has this feature. And it has a rear flat floor, which gives comfort to the middle passenger at the rear. And it comes with 6 airbags as standard. And we go through the premium features with advanced technology. So here once again we have the best in segment, Ultra View 10.25-inch HD infotainment, which is the biggest in the segment. And we also have Ultra View 10.25-inch high definition digital cluster with map view navigation, which is also the first in segment. You can view the map in the instrument cluster. We also have 360 HD surround view camera with live view monitor, a wireless charger, and voice assisted electric sunroof. 2 and 3.
Every day is a busy day for each and every one of you and for us as well. But thank you to you for making this day a special one, for sparing your valuable time with us. Thank you so much. It makes this event a very special one. As the card itself says, new Tata Altroz feels special. So, apa kita kasih kepada publish di bawah di beladan lagi, nadu di finances, nadu di media partner juga di badan hasenda kami di depo petisi TV depo maupun bagi deh. Bila ada dekat iman depo, day baru ni pengilah berpoin di kubur jadi cek berlok jadi cek wibi bandan dekat ni di bawah bandan bentalan ada lagi Jingshngaiñ jadi ya kali cuma jadi. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. May this day will prosper from today and days onward. May you also grow in life personally, professionally, and everything you do. Thank you and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you.
The all-new Tata Altroz.
totally sunless.
All new Altroz feels special.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.